will have our casual wear interview in the form of a hashtag. So each candidate will be given a hashtag and they will be giving their insights or a meaning to that hashtag. Of course, without further ado, let us call in again on stage our candidate number 1, Miss Mia Pandino. Alright, Miss Mia Pandino. Alright, how are you tonight? Okay, so let us call in. Sorry, I didn't catch her name. Our hashtag girl. So the hashtag is hashtag beauty with purpose. Again, hashtag beauty with purpose.
Para po sa aking ang beauty with purpose ay ngayon, sinaselebrate po namin ngayong mga parte ng LGBTQA+. Bukod sa ganda, ipinakikita ho namin ang kanya-kanya naming advokasya upang magbigay ng magandang inspirasyon sa bawat kabataan at lalong-lalo na sa lahat ng manonood. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you very much, our candidate number 1, Ms. Mia Pandino. Now, let us call in our second candidate, Ms. Amanda Borja. Yes. Okay, how are you tonight? Kamusta naman ang iyong gabi?
Masaya.
Masaya. Sure ka ba? Ayan. Okay, let's pick one of your hashtag. Okay, this is your hashtag. Hashtag stop bullying.
I believe marami pong nabobully sa pagiging discriminate po sa aming lahat. At ako po ay nakatanggap din ng pambubuli at masakit po to sa akin. And I thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. That was candidate number 2, Ms. Amanda Borja. Next, of course, is our very beautiful Miss candidate number 3, Karil Aduana Borlonga. And here's your microphone. Alright, Ms. Karil, how are you tonight?
Actually, it's very overwhelming to compete with 11 beautiful candidates. But whatever happened tonight, what really matters the most is that pinapalakpakan ho at nire-respeto ko po kami ng mga taong nanonood ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, indeed. Barangay San Ildefonso is a very respectable barangay here in Alaminos. Now let us pick your hashtag. All right, your hashtag is hashtag social media impact. Again, hashtag social media impact.
Thank you so much, ma'am, to that very mind-boggling hashtag. You know what? In this modern era where social media is very used and rampant nowadays, I always believe that we as an individual or as a person, we should always be mindful on how we are using our platform and able to share the knowledge that we have in ourselves that we can share to each and every one of us na oo, maraming tao ang merong kakayahan na magkaroon at maging nasa loob ng isang social media. Ngunit bilang isang matalinong tao, nasa mga kamay natin kung papaano natin gagamitin ito. Can you really imagine that maraming taong nakakaranas ng diskriminasyon, ng pangungutya ng ibang tao dahil sa social media? Can't we really imagine na maraming taong hindi nila alam kung paano nila ipapakita ang tunay na sarili nila dahil nahihiya sila sa panghuhusga ng ibang tao? And one thing that I would like to let other people know, always think before we click. That is my straightforward answer, and that is what you called bullseye. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4, Miss Karil, or Miss Queen Natalie Salvador. Okay, how are you tonight?
I'm feeling ecstatic with a little bit kaba. But overall, I'm so happy because my family are there.
Okay, ecstatic with a little bit of kaba. Nakuryente ka ba sa likod?
Yeah.
Hindi na. Ganyan talaga, merong parang surprising effect. Now let us pick your hashtag.
Thank you so much.
All right, are you ready, Miss Natalie?
Yeah.
Here is your hashtag, hashtag mental health. Again, hashtag mental health.
Okay, thank you for that hashtag. Last 2023, I've been diagnosed with my mental health. I have a mental health disorder that I got a sexual and physical abuse and also mental abuse. And this breaks me so much. But that happening makes me the gay nor woman who I am today. And I am so grateful that I am standing here today in front of all of you. Now, I will recap the hashtag. It's hashtag mental health. Hashtag mental health. This is the word that we have to think before we say, click, and anything to others. Through social media, through physical, in everyday living, people bash me every day. At nadadamage po nito ang mental health ko. Kaya ang kailangan natin ay magtulungan at magkaisa para sa ikauunlad ng ating barangay. Ngayong nakatayo ako dito sa inyong harapan, ako ay kinakabahan at hindi ko alam ang aking sinasabi. Ito ay dahil sa aking mental health. Kaya ang dapat natin gawin ay isipin kung ano ang ibabato natin sa kapwa natin. Na kung sa ganon, dapat nating ipakalat ang ating pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4, for that very fun answer for tonight. And of course, after candidate number 4, Miss Queen Natalie Salvador, is our candidate number 5, Miss Jennifer Juanilio. Good evening, Miss Jennifer. How are you tonight?
Okay naman po, kahit medyo may konting problema kanina. But I'm so happy na mainit na pag-welcome namin sa inyo dito, sa inyong barangay. Maraming salamat po. And I would like to thank God na kahit papano, hindi niya tayo binuhusan ng malakas na ulan na kung saan na mas maraming makapanood sa atin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. You're very sweet and kind. Now, let us pick your hashtag. Again, your hashtag is inclusive fashion. All right, inclusive, that means it should include the LGBT community too. Again, hashtag inclusive fashion.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as a part of the LGBT, lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang fashion o kanya-kanyang talento dito sa mundong ibabaw. But I always believe that as a part of the LGBT, I'm a contented what we have. I'm a makeup artist, designer, also the pageantry. Lagi natin tatandaan, sa mga gantong bagay, dapat lagi tayong may pangarap sa bawat isa. Dahil dito sa mundong ibabaw, karamihan, maraming diskriminasyon na nagaganap sa ating pang-araw-araw na bubuhay. But lagi natin tatandaan, ang pagkakaroon ng pangarap sa ating sarili, tsak kailanman tayo mismo ang magdadala nito hanggang sa ating makuha na ang ating mga kanya-kanyang pangarap. Nang sa ganon, mas makatulong tayo ng mas maayos, hindi lamang para sa ating sarili, kundi sa mga mahal natin sa buhay, also sa ating pamilya. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. That was our candidate number 5, Miss Jennifer Juanilio. Now let us have our candidate number 6, Miss Leanne Marie Briza. All right, right, Miss Lian, again, welcome. And how are you feeling tonight?
Okay lang. Kinakabahan.
Okay. Now, let us pick your hashtag. This is very easy. Your hashtag is gender equality. Again, gender equality.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful hashtag. Alam naman po natin na ang gender equality ay ang pagpapantay-pantay ng kasarian. Kung baga, sa aming mga kabaklaan o kaya sa aming mga member ng LGBT community, kahit anong gawin nyo, kahit anong insultuhin nyo kami sa harapan namin, at kami po ay patuloy na natatayo sa inyong harapan at magbibigay ngiti at magbibigay inspirasyon habang nabubuhay kami. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Lian Marie Brisa, our candidate number 6. Now let us call in candidate number 7, Justin Carpio. Okay, Justin Carpio, how are you tonight?
Feeling great and a little bit nervous, but it's okay. It's part of the game.
All right, now let us pick your hashtag. Okay, your hashtag is freedom of expression. Again, hashtag freedom of expression.
Unang-una po magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. For me, freedom of expression is kung paano mo po may express ng malaya ang iyong nararamdaman. Dahil sa paniniwala ko po, kung ano po ang nararamdaman mo, kung malungkot ka man, kung galit ka man, kung masaya ka man, ay dapat pakawalan mo ito sa iyong sarili. Dahil pag sinarili mo ang iyong galit, ang iyong kalungkutan, pati na rin po ang kasiyahan, wala pong matututunan sa inyo ang ibang tao. Ngunit, pag kayo po ay pag nag-share po kayo sa ibang tao ng inyong nararamdaman, mas luluwag po yung pakiramdam ninyo. Mas magiging okay po yung pakiramdam ninyo. At doon din po papasok na magkakaroon tayo ng magandang good mental health para po sa ating sarili for our brighter future. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Justin Carpio. And now, that was our candidate number 7. Now let us call in our candidate number 8, Miss IC Tria. Hi, good evening, Miss IC. How are you feeling tonight?
Good evening, ma'am. I feel so good and great kasi isa ako sa mga candidate na nagko-compete tonight.
All right, you're very beautiful tonight. And now, let us pick your hashtag. All right, your hashtag is cultural diversity. Again, hashtag cultural diversity.
Okay, for me, isa lang ang tinutukoy niyang hashtag na yan. Ang pagkakaroon ng pagkakaunawaan sa bawat isa, ito man ay pampolitika or pansarili nating kapakanan. As long as magkakaroon tayo ng cultural diversity, naniniwala po ako na magkakaroon din tayo ng kapayapaan dahil magkakaunawaan tayo. Huwag nating hayaan na magkaroon ng dungis at away sa pagitan ng bawat isa. Gawin nating mas masaya at maging maganda ang lipunan para magkaroon tayo ng isang mapayapa at masayang mundo na pwede nating i-enjoy habang nabubuhay pa. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss IC Tria, our candidate number 7. Now let us welcome our next candidate. That was candidate number 8, Miss IC Tria. Now let us welcome candidate number 9, Miss Joshua D. Hi, Miss Joshua D. How are you feeling?
I feel kind of nervous because this is my first time actually joining in this pageant po.
Alright, so let's put our mic na medyo malapit para mas malinaw maintindihan ang ating hashtag. Now, let us choose your hashtag. Alright, your hashtag is overpopulation. Again, hashtag overpopulation.
Okay, so as of now po, nakakaranas po tayo ng matindihang overheat dahil po sa ating mga ginagawa. Kaya po, ang lahat ay hinihikayat ko na ngayon pa lamang po ay tayo po ay gumawa ng aksyon. At for me po, ang overpopulation ay ang pagdami po ng ating mga pamilya, over the population po. And that is why family planning is very important for us Filipino po. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
All right. Thank you very much, Ms. Joshua D., our candidate number 9. Now let us call in our candidate number 10, Ms. Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. Here's your mic, Ms. Angelica. Let's come in here at the center. And so, again, how are you feeling tonight, Ms. Angelica?
Nape-pressure. Nape-pressure. Ay, by the way, thank you so much sa support dito po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayong gabi at sa inyong mainit na pagtanggap sa amin dito. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, Ms. Angelica Hernandez Bermudez. Now let us pick your hashtag. All right, so your hashtag is volunteerism or pagbo-volunteer. Again, hashtag volunteerism.
Okay, volunteerism for me, it's my advocacy for me. And the last time is, di ba, nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic. So, yung volunteerism ko, I have a feeding program sa mga bata. Dahil napaka-importante po to, hindi naman lahat ng tao may mga pera. Kaya siguro, ang binolunteer ko nung pandemic is yung sarili kong pera at sarili kong pinaghirapan, sarili kong ipon. Binolunteer ko po, gumawa po ako ng sariling program ko sa aming barangay po. At hindi lang po sa aming barangay, sa iba pong barangay, para at least makatulong tayo sa ibang tao. Hindi ko sinusolo ang aking blessing. Gusto ko po, sinishare ko to sa buong tao para sa bandang huli, may blessing na maganda ang darating sa buhay ko. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ms. Angelica Hernandez Bermudez, our candidate number 10. Now, let us call in again here on stage our last but not the least candidate for our casual wear interview. Let us all welcome candidate number 11, Miss Trixie Chua. Phone, how are you feeling tonight? Very confident, rather?
Actually, this is my first time, so that I'm gonna be so enjoying this.
All right, so she's very much enjoying the night. Now let us pick your hashtag. All right, our last hashtag for candidate number 11 for tonight is hashtag human rights. Again, hashtag human rights.
Human rights. Para po sa akin, ang human rights ay nasa ating lahat. Hindi lang po natin ginagamit ito dahil natatakot tayo sa mayayaman. Huwag tayong matakot sa mga nakatataas sa atin dahil tayo ay pantay-pantay. Tayo ay tumatai lamang at tayo ay nabubuhay sa mundong ito. Tayo ay tao lang at hindi ko lang sasabihin to dito sa aming mga kandidata or dahil sa inyong lahat. Sasabihin ko po para sa atin to. Nandito po ako dahil sa mga bisexual na hindi nila maipakita kung sino talaga sila at kung ano yung kasura nila. Huwag kayong matakot ang ilabas kung ano ang meron kayo dahil may Panginoon tayong nakatingin sa atin at yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Ayan. Our last candidate number 11, Miss Trixie Chua.